In today's video, I'm going to teach you why ClickUp can be slow and simple ways to make it faster. If you've ever opened a workspace and felt pages dragging or lists taking forever to load, you're not alone. The good news is that most slowdowns come from a few common causes, and there are straightforward tweaks you can make right away. First, let's talk about what typically causes lag. Loading too many tasks at once is a big one. When thousands of items render on the screen, your browser has to work much harder. Large attachments inside tasks also add weight, especially when you open the task details. Complex views like board and Gantt can be more demanding because they draw many elements at the same time. And finally, local factors matter a lot. A cluttered browser cache or an unstable internet connection will slow any cloud app, including ClickUp. To speed things up, start by limiting the tasks you display. In list, board, or table view, add filters so you're only seeing what you need, like items assigned to you due soon or within a specific status. Collapse groups, lists, or folders you're not actively using, and consider hiding columns you don't need right now. Saving a filtered view as a favorite can make this your default, so you load less data every time. Next, avoid heavy views for large projects. List view is the most lightweight option when you're dealing with big workloads, so switch to it when navigating large spaces. If you rely on dashboards, trim or temporarily hide widgets that pull massive data sets, and narrow the time range where possible. For calendar or Gantt, focus on smaller scopes, like a single folder or a shorter date range, to reduce what needs to render. Then, optimize attachments. Remove outdated or duplicate large files, or compress them before uploading to keep tasks lean. When a file doesn't need to live inside the task, add a cloud link instead. This keeps task loading snappy and avoids syncing heavy media unnecessarily. Also, give your browser a fresh start. Clearing your cache can fix sluggish behavior that builds up over time. If performance is still off, try the ClickUp desktop app or switch to a supported, up-to-date browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Testing in a clean browser session can help isolate extension-related slowdowns. Finally, check your internet connection. A stable, fast connection is crucial for loading views and syncing changes. Close extra tabs or background apps that hog bandwidth or memory, and if possible, use a wired connection for the most reliable performance. And that's why ClickUp can be slow and how to make it faster. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.